Imagine a creature so small it fits on a coin, so beautiful it glows like a jewel, yet one drop of its skin could kill you before you hit the ground. This is the poison dart frog, evolution's most paradoxical masterpiece. Don't be fooled by its diminutive size or its jewel-toned beauty. This tiny amphibian, barely larger than a thumbnail, harbors a deadly secret within its skin. A single touch can deliver a lethal dose of poison, capable of felling a predator 10 times its size. The poison dart frog is a stark reminder that appearances can be deceiving. Its vibrant colors, far from signaling danger, often serve as a beacon, attracting unsuspecting prey. A closer look at this fascinating creature reveals a complex story of survival, where toxicity is not just a defense mechanism, but an integral part of its existence. The poison dart frog's story is one of delicate balance. It is a testament to the intricate web of life in the rainforest, where every creature, no matter how small, plays a crucial role. The frog's bright colors stand out against the lush green background, a visual reminder of its deadly potential. It is a reminder that the natural world, while breathtakingly beautiful, is also a realm of constant struggle and adaptation. The poison dart frog's lethal punch comes from a potent neurotoxin called batrachatoxin. This deadly compound disrupts the delicate balance of the nervous system, leading to paralysis and, ultimately, death. The toxin's power lies in its ability to interfere with the transmission of nerve impulses, effectively shutting down the body's communication system. Batrachatoxin achieves this by targeting sodium channels, tiny gateways within nerve cells responsible for conducting electrical signals. By forcing these channels to remain open, batrachatoxin throws the nervous system into chaos. Muscles, no longer receiving coordinated signals, seize up, leading to paralysis. The heart, a muscle itself, is also affected. Its rhythm is disrupted, leading to a rapid and irregular heartbeat. The combined effects of paralysis and heart failure are often fatal. The potency of batrachatoxin is astounding. A mere 2 micrograms, an amount smaller than a grain of salt, is enough to kill an adult human. This image illustrates the toxin's ability to bind to sodium channels, disrupting the normal flow of ions and leading to nerve dysfunction. The intricate molecular structure of the toxin highlights the complexity of this chemical weapon. The intriguing question arises, where do these frogs acquire their lethal toxin? The answer lies in their diet. Unlike many poisonous creatures that synthesize their own toxins, poison dart frogs obtain batrachatoxin from their food. Their diet consists primarily of insects, particularly ants, mites, and beetles. These seemingly innocuous invertebrates are the true source of the deadly batrachatoxin. Scientists believe that these insects, in turn, acquire the toxin from consuming plants or fungi containing trace amounts of the compound. This dietary accumulation of toxins is a fascinating example of biomagnification, where a substance becomes increasingly concentrated at higher levels of the food chain. The poison dart frog, positioned at the top of this particular food web, becomes a reservoir for batrachatoxin. The specific composition of the frog's diet, and therefore their toxicity, varies depending on their geographic location and the types of insects available to them. This explains why some species of poison dart frogs are deadlier than others. The image shows the frog in its natural habitat, actively hunting for the insects that provide it with its deadly arsenal. It highlights the direct link between the frog's diet and its toxicity. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the poison dart frog's biology is its immunity to its own poison. How can a creature harbor such a deadly toxin without succumbing to its own effects? The answer lies in a fascinating evolutionary adaptation. Over generations, poison dart frogs have developed a remarkable resistance to batrachatoxin. This resistance stems from subtle changes in the structure of their sodium channels, the very proteins targeted by the toxin. These modified channels, while still capable of conducting nerve impulses, are no longer susceptible to the toxin's disruptive effects. In essence, the frog has evolved a molecular lock that the toxin's key can no longer open. This remarkable adaptation allows the poison dart frog to carry a lethal dose of batrachatoxin without suffering any ill effects. It is a testament to the power of natural selection, where even the deadliest of adaptations can arise in the face of survival. This visual representation helps explain the complex molecular mechanism behind the frog's self-immunity. The relationship between humans and the poison dart frog dates back centuries. Indigenous cultures, particularly those residing in the rainforests of Central and South America, have long recognized the lethal potential of these tiny amphibians. The frog's potent toxin, carefully extracted and applied to blowgun darts, became a valuable tool for hunting and warfare. This practice, from which the frogs derive their name, highlights the ingenuity of these cultures in harnessing the power of nature. The use of poison dart frog toxin was not limited to hunting. Some tribes incorporated the toxin into traditional medicines and rituals. The toxin, believed to possess analgesic and stimulant properties, was used to treat a range of ailments and to induce altered states of consciousness. This historical image provides a glimpse into the long-standing relationship between humans and these fascinating creatures, emphasizing the cultural significance of the frog's poison. The Embera people of Colombia, for example, have a long and intricate history with the poison dart frog. For generations, they have perfected the art of toxin extraction, carefully handling the frogs to collect the deadly secretion without harming the animals. The toxin is then applied to blowgun darts in a meticulous process that involves heating and drying the poison to enhance its potency. This traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, highlights the deep understanding and respect that indigenous cultures have for the delicate balance of their environment. The use of poison dart frog toxin in blowgun darts is a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of these cultures. It demonstrates their ability to adapt and thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, utilizing the resources available to them in a sustainable manner. This image showcases the cultural significance of the frog's poison and the skillful techniques employed by indigenous communities to utilize it safely and effectively. In recent decades, the poison dart frog's unique biology has piqued the interest of scientists worldwide. Batrachotoxin, while deadly in its natural form, holds immense potential for medical applications. Researchers are exploring its use in developing new painkillers, muscle relaxants, and heart stimulants. The challenge lies in harnessing the toxin's potency while mitigating its toxicity. Scientists are working to synthesize modified versions of batrachotoxin that retain its therapeutic properties without the deadly side effects. Early research shows promise, with some derivatives exhibiting potent analgesic effects at doses far lower than those required for toxicity. The poison dart frog, once feared for its lethal nature, may one day hold the key to treating a range of medical conditions. Its story highlights the immense potential of the natural world, waiting to be unlocked through scientific exploration and understanding. This image represents the shift from traditional uses to modern scientific exploration, highlighting the potential of the frog's poison to revolutionize medicine. Despite their lethal defenses, poison dart frogs face an array of threats, many of them human-induced. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and agricultural expansion, is the most pressing danger. As rainforests shrink, so too do the frog's hunting grounds and breeding sites. Climate change poses another significant threat. Rising temperatures and altered rainfall patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem, impacting the frog's food sources and breeding cycles. The illegal pet trade also takes a toll on wild populations. The frog's vibrant colors and exotic appeal make them highly sought after in the pet trade, leading to overcollection from their natural habitats. These threats, combined with pollution and disease, paint a bleak picture for the future of poison dart frogs. Their decline is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the far-reaching consequences of human actions. This visual representation emphasizes the environmental challenges faced by these creatures and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Section 9, Conservation, Our Responsibility. The plight of the poison dart frog is a call to action. Protecting these fascinating creatures requires a multi-pronged approach. Conserving rainforest habitats is paramount, as is combating climate change through sustainable practices. Stricter regulations and enforcement are crucial to curb the illegal pet trade and prevent overcollection. Public awareness campaigns can educate people about the importance of poison dart frog conservation and encourage responsible pet ownership. Research plays a vital role not only in unlocking the medical potential of batrachotoxin, but also in understanding the frog's biology and developing effective conservation strategies. The future of the poison dart frog, like that of so many other endangered species, hangs in the balance. It is our responsibility to ensure that these tiny assassins, with their extraordinary biology and cultural significance, continue to thrive in the rainforests they call home. This image represents hope and action, showcasing the efforts being made to safeguard these creatures and their environment for future generations.